Okay, for a day we can start with 10 minutes standing, 10 minutes sitting, 10 minutes sleeping, and then after doing exercises we'll just relax and we concentrate on our breathing. So we can pranayam, we can't say this as a pranayam, just a starting of pranayam you can say. So just relax in whichever sitting position you like. This is like Sukhasana, like fold your legs like this. This inside your feet should touch to your thighs, and then this is like Sukhasana. Or if possible, then you can sit in Padmasana. Take one leg on your thighs and then bring your another leg like this. If you can't do it, sit regularly, no issues. And if you can't sit down, you can even practice this exercise. You can say at sitting on your chair, sofas, anywhere. Okay? Just relax and concentrate on your breathing. This is Jnana Mudra, basic mudra. You can sit in this Jnana Mudra. Bring all your 3 fingers together. This, like this. Relax. Take deep breath. Concentrate on your breathing. So first thing we will do is deep breathing. Like we have to take deep breath and exhale immediately. You can say it Bhastrika. For a few seconds you can do this. Again relax. Next is like you have to take your deep breathing, exhale, then take deep breath and just keep exhaling. You will automatically inhale, but don't do it purposely. Like, and the stomach go inside. You automatically inhale. You don't need to consciously inhale. But while doing this, actually, you should not sit in Jnana Mudra. It should be like this. See, I also forgot everything. In this, so much period has already passed. So I am also learning. So please forgive me for this. We can do this for 2 minutes continuously, or you can count your breathing. You can do it 120 times at a time or 2 minutes at the most. Or you start with 50 counts, 100 counts, and you can reach up to 120, 150. So depends on your capacity. I'm doing it once again. You can feel your breath. when you exhale. Your stomach just go inside and out like this. When we exhale, our stomach goes inside. You may feel little backache as we don't have practice, so it get pressurized. So do it as in your comfort zone. Start with slow. Then after practicing, you do it little faster. Like this. Now relax in Jnana Mudra. If you can't sit longer in Padmasana, you can relax, no issues. Sit in normal position, Sukhasana. The exercise which we have done, it is called as Kapalbharti. The first one is Bhastrika, Kapalbharti, and now the next one is Anulom Vilom. So for that you have to keep one hand in Jnana Mudra. Next hand you have to just use your two fingers, this thumb and last two fingers actually. So this will be the position. I'll just show you. You have to just close one nostril from your thumb. Take breath. I'm just sitting like this just to show you because my phone is quite far from me. So you have to otherwise sit very straight. Then just take your thumb near your right nostril. Take deep breath. Actually you have to hold this Kumbhak, it is called, but at present it is the first stage, so no need to do Kumbhak. So just inhale, use your last two fingers to close your next nostril from which you have already inhaled your air, and exhale from the first one. Then again same, from the same nostril you have to inhale, close that nostril from by your thumb, exhale. From the same nostril you have to again inhale, close your nostrils, exhale. So you have to do it continuously. This is a continuous process. Just watch me. Concentrate on your breathing. Don't think anything. Try to not to think anything. It's not possible, we know. But it's not impossible as well. After practicing, you are going to just concentrate on your breathing only. So don't worry at all. So you can do this for 5 minutes at the most, and then again next we have to doing omkar, but we are not chanting om. We have to just breathe like om and exhaling. Make this humming tone as long as you can. Inhale. And do this at least 4-5 times. So after doing omkar with humming voice, so we have to literally utter the word om for 4-5 times. Relax in your position. We will take small prarthana prayer. Durge smrutam harsi bhitim ashesha jantoho swasthai smrutam मतिमतीव शुभांगदासी दारिद्र्य दुःख भय हारणिका त्वदन्या सर्व उपकार करणाय सदाग्रचित्त सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते. Just rub your hands palm together and feel the warmth of your hand. Hari Om. If you follow this routine or regime, I am sure you are going to be very healthy or much healthier than today. So start with me exercising. Start our New Year's resolution 2021. So be healthy, be happy. Bye bye. Take care.